Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize screen flash notification function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our screen flash notifications? We need to go to settings, then in accessibility we have advanced settings, and in here we have flash notification. We are looking for screen flash notifications. So first we need to turn it on, and now we have a few options from here to choose from. As you can see, when we enable this option, the screen will flash. We can change this color by using options from this palette, as you can see. Of course, right now all applications are using this option, and we can select which one will be included. As you can see right here, we can also change color for specific application. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.